It is important to know that any word in gematria that equals 11 will also equal 7 in the reverse of that cipher, and vice versa. The brilliant physicist Richard Feynman famously thought that there is a number that all theoretical physicists of worth should worry about. He called it one of the greatest damn mysteries of physics, a magic number that comes to us with no understanding by man. That magic number, called the FSC, or fine structure constant, is the number 137. 137 is the 13th number in an infinite sequence of numbers called the Hendeka sequence. The word Hendeka means 11 in ancient Greek, and the sequence is a collection of numbers in numerical order starting with the number 11 and flows through the rest of all other numbers that when reduced using the numerological reduction method will equal 11. The sequence from the first position to the 13th position is as follows: 11, 29, 38, 47, 56, 65, 74, 83, 92, 101, 110, 128, 137. Wolfgang Pauli was obsessed with the number 137. He referred to the fine structure constant, or alpha, during his Nobel lecture on December 13, 1946 in Stockholm, Switzerland, saying a theory was necessary that would determine the constant's value and thus explain the atomistic structure of electricity, which is such an essential quality of all atomic sources of electric fields actually occurring in nature. At the end of his remarkable journey, this pioneer of quantum physics died in a hospital room numbered 137. This world or realm that we all experience is quite literally built from words. There is nothing in the world that is not a word. Everything one can see, touch, taste, hear, smell, or even think of, is a word. With gematria, we can see the numbers that exist behind the words of this reality. Every written language has a gematria component because every written language has a form of an alphabet and has a first letter or a letter intrinsically associated with the number 1. In English, this letter is A. In Greek, it is alpha, and in Hebrew, it is aleph. Every alphabet has a first letter and a last letter as well. In English, the last letter is Z, and it is the 26th letter, so in English gematria, Z equals 26. As stated before, every word that equals 11 will also equal 7 in the reverse of that cipher and vice versa. The reverse cipher is the cipher of the word's shadows. An example of this would be with the words Hendeka sequence. In English gematria, Hendeka sequence equals 137, which equals 11, and in reverse English gematria, it equals 268, which equals 7 using the numerological reduction method. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Every word that equals 11 has a shadow, or reverse value of 7, and every word that equals 7 has a shadow, or reverse value of 11. The word 7 itself equals 56 and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, the shadow or reverse value is 70 and 7 plus 0 is 7.